What is up, guys? It's Troy at the Full Setup, back with another video for you, and I've got my little helper here today. We've got Oscar. How long have you wanted to be in a video for?
A
year? A long time?
A long time.
You wanted to be in a video for a long time. Do you know why you're in the video today, though?
No.
So you know I'm putting your new desk together at the weekend, getting all your desk sorted and all that sort of stuff.
Yes.
We thought you were probably going to need a new gaming monitor, so what we're actually unboxing is yours.
Ah.
Cool, fast. Look at you. Look at the screen. How excited does he look? There's a lot of gamers in the chat kicking off right now because we used to game on terrible little TVs when we were kids.
Oh.
So this is going to be your monitor. It's going to go on your desk. It's curved. We've got to unbox it.
It's bigger.
Yeah, it's going to be bigger and better than your last one because you had my old one from years ago. So the way unboxings go, Oscar, is that I've got to talk about all of this stuff on the box. This is the boring bit that you're not going to understand too much. So it's curved. This screen is curved. You see that there?
Yeah.
It's like curved all the way around. 1500R curvature. 165 Hertz. That means it can run games super fast.
Really?
Yeah, so if you paired this with, say, the new Xbox, which is coming out a little bit later in the year, I've already done some, my friend's done some testing for me. My friend did a little bit of testing, and it can run 120 Hertz. Should hopefully be able to run variable refresh rate as well, so it keeps all your games looking sick. I'll make Fortnite buttery smooth. Fortnite's going to be buttery.
I play Roblox.
You play Roblox. You play Fortnite as well. So, first bit. Come stand over with me.
Oh,
put your hand on the knife.
No.
Don't tell your mum. Come on, put your hand on here.
What?
There we go. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Don't slip. Don't tell your mum. She's going to see your video anyway. So we're going to pop this one out.
Pop.
See that?
And I'll pop this one out.
Yeah, and you have to be extra careful with monitors.
Oh, I already did it.
Yeah. So this is a, like I said, 165 Hertz panel, 1 millisecond response time, but if you have that turned on, oh, just wait for a second. If you have 1 millisecond response time turned on, you will lose Freesync. So if you wanted an option in that price range, there is an Asus monitor on screen, but that one only had one HDMI and a VGA. So what have we got this here? Show out to camera. That's your power cable. That's your plug. Got your plugs and stuff. That's the plug for if you're in Europe. That's a European plug, yeah. So they send these all around the world.
Okay. I can't even see.
Can't even see yourself. We're just jumping all around it before we start. So this is a USB cable. So it's got its own hub built into it, so you can plug like USB stuff in it. So you can like charge your controller and stuff off of it.
Okay. Even though I put my lights in that one.
Yeah, this is the hard bit. Actually, this is coming out pretty easy. This is having that extra set of hands. Yeah, go on. I have to get out with all of them. Oh god. We lost something.
I bet it's important.
Did we lose something? Yeah, it is. This is the stand for it. Although we might put it on your arm. Hey. There you go. So that's the stand. All the cables.
Stand.
Where's that
Yoink.
knife? It's got this nice bit of plastic in there. Right, see which way round it is. Oh no, we want it the other way. We want it the other way. Part of the reason we want it the other way round is because we need to put the stand on it. From side up. All that stuff. Gonna pass me and stuff. What else we got ready? Some piece of plastic, some back. Some screws, yeah. Might need a screwdriver.
Yeah. So go and pop one. Get one. Or is that fine?
I've got so. Thank you for buying boring manuals. Show them the boring manuals. Boring, isn't they? Chuck them over there, get rid of them.
Okay.
Just chuck them anywhere you want. You don't need manuals. Not on this YouTube channel.
Okay. That's the stand for the stand to go on.
Yeah, so we'll put this bit, look, in here. I'll slot that in. This is the first time we've done a video with each other. There's going to be a lot of bloopers, isn't there? Not always going to get it right. So you just twist that, and that's the stand for it. Put this over here. This is your monitor cable. This is what we use to hook it up to the Xbox. So at the moment it looks like there is only a HDMI cable in there.
HDMI?
No display port, so if anybody wanted to pair this with a PC, if you wanted to use that FreeSync, G-Sync.
It can't go.
Oh, it's heavy. You want to go with it?
Yeah.
No.
I can actually go it though.
You reckon?
Yeah.
So now what you normally do is...
Oh damn, that's actually really big.
Oh. Yeah, is it better than your last one?
Yeah. Holy damn, that looks actually big though.
Yeah. balling panel. I'm gonna just hold it up and show you what some stuff we got on the screen here.
Oh,
I'm gonna make a video on this where I go a little bit more in depth at the weekend, but we've got USB port,
we don't need this.
USB hub, Type C, 3.5mm headphone jack, which is going to be good because now with the Xbox doesn't have an optical.
You don't need this stinking thing.
You don't need that stinking thing, yeah. Now that you've got the headphone port, it's going to be useful to hook up speakers out of the new Xbox. And then there's a display port and 2 HDMIs.
That's actually really cool.
Let's get that in there. You're probably not going to see it. This is more about me and you setting up a monitor, innit? So we'll put this back in here.
How big's the camera, by the way?
How big's the camera?
Yeah.
So this is the bit that we need. We need screws for.
When did you start YouTube?
Ages ago. It should be a lot bigger for the amount of years I've done on it.
Oh, okay.
But been busy.
You've been busy.
So we're gonna put these screws in here. Come here.
You're not gonna really make me do that.
Yeah, I am making you do it.
What?
It's called earning it. I've already dropped one.
I can get that.
Come on, over. Oh yeah, you got. Oh. Yeah, you're a child, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. You can get the screws out for me. Normally I'd have to like lift that up and let it fall back, buddy. You know? Yeah, you're helping out on this stuff from now on. Go on, twist that, twist it till it's tight. There we go.
I don't believe I actually got that.
Yeah, that manual we threw away.
What?
Probably should have read it, shouldn't we?
Yeah, I'm gonna get it. That's a lot.
That one's going in. That's fine.
That's one of the pages. One of the language we don't really know. Oh.
Yeah, loads of different languages.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, that's Chinese, mate.
What's this?
That's Chinese. We're not putting all the screws in. We're going to do that a little bit later. Because we might put this on. We might put this on your monitor arm anyway.
2 language.
How many languages?
3 language.
How many languages do you speak?
4 languages.
Oh, so you want to take this sticker off?
Huh?
I'm going to take this off. This is what's called the money shot
Yeah, I'll do
of
that.
unboxing videos.
I'll do that.
Oh, you did that real quick. Slow.
I can't believe we done the whole thing.
What happened to the camera, Oscar? What did it stop doing?
Recording.
I think we got most of it. We captured most of it. So what do you think of it?
Good.
Oscar got really excited when I told him that you can put crosshairs on it. We know it's sort of technically cheating, but hey ho. So he's got his little crosshair so we can no scope. And just a couple of things. We didn't like this picture, did we, on the shooting one? What was it? Oh,
That's
was it the FPS one?
Yeah.
Everything. What happened to it? It all went grey, didn't it?
Yeah.
Definitely need to calibrate that. Racing looks pretty good though with the colour.
Huh?
RTS, RPG.
Just pick the normal colour.
Yeah.
This is
User.
better for me.
That one better, yeah?
Yeah.
So we'll mess around with all the settings for you. Nicer?
Okay.
For some reason racing seems to have the best colour on this so far, just out of the box anyway. What are you ticking at? 100 frames per second, so we only got the 1650C Pro. Go on, let's get him. You're not doing very well. Yeah, nice, he's out. Who else we got? That's what happens playing against some PC players on the controller, mate. We're gonna have to get you mouse and keyboard in.
At least I'm getting loads of kills.
You are getting some kills, I'll give you that. You are using the cheat scope though.
Huh?
You are using the cheat. Go on, take him out. Nice.
Okay.
Where's the other ones? Who we got?
Someone's knocking this down.
Got someone below us? Okay.
Hey, you stole my kill. Didn't you steal my kill?
Maybe, yeah, he might have stole it.
Huh?
Yeah, how do you do all this building and stuff, mate?
What?
All this building, I can't keep up with it.
You don't know how to build?
I'm just old, yeah, I can't build on this.
Mm.
I'm just old, mate. Yeah.
Oh, my goodness.
Done. He plays Fortnite all the time. So there we go, there's his new monitor. Super happy with it though?